Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore various joinery techniques used in woodworking. From simple but joints to intricate dovetails, each method has its unique strengths and applications. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, understanding these techniques will enhance your skills and projects. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mortise-and-tenon joint. The mortise-and-tenon joint consists of a rectangular hole, mortise, that fits a projecting tenon from another piece. Known for its strength and versatility, it's often used in frame construction, offering durability and a clean, traditional appearance. Number 2. Groove joint. The groove joint involves cutting a channel in one piece of wood for another piece to fit snugly. Common in cabinetry and flooring, it provides strength and stability while allowing wood movement and can be combined with other joints for added appeal. Number 3. Box joint. The box joint, or finger joint, features interlocking rectangular fingers that form a strong connection, ideal for boxes and drawers. It offers excellent strength, a large gluing surface, and an attractive pattern, making it easy to cut with a table saw or router. Number 4. Cross dowel joint. The cross dowel joint uses a cylindrical dowel inserted perpendicularly to secure two pieces of wood. It's popular in modern furniture assembly for its strength and ease of disassembly. Number 5. Rebate joint. The rebate joint cuts a recess along the edge of one piece, allowing another to sit flush. It's used in cabinetry and panels, providing a clean appearance and good strength when glued. Number 6. Groove and tongue joint. The groove and tongue joint has a protruding tongue fitting into a groove, providing excellent alignment and stability. It's commonly used in flooring and paneling applique. Number 7. Dovetail joint. The dovetail joint features interlocking tails and pins, creating a mechanical lock. This joint is strong and visually appealing, commonly used in drawer construction and fine furniture. Number 8. Pocket hole joint. The pocket hole joint involves drilling angled holes in one wood piece to secure it to another. It's quick and efficient, often used in furniture assembly without visible fasteners. Number 9. Dado joint. The dado joint features a groove cut into one piece of wood, allowing another to fit snugly inside. It's strong and stable, ideal for shelving and cabinetry, often reinforced with glue or screws. Number 10. Biscuit joint. The biscuit joint uses oval-shaped wooden biscuits that fit into matching slots, expanding when glued for a strong connection. It's favored for ease of alignment and strength in edge-to-edge joints. Number 11. Miter joint. The miter joint connects two pieces at a 45-degree angle, creating a seamless corner. It's visually appealing but relies on adhesive for strength, making it less robust without reinforcement. Number 12. Dowel joint. The dowel joint uses wooden pins to align and secure two pieces of wood. It's precise and strong, making it a popular choice for furniture assembly and cabinetry. Number 13. Bridal joint. The bridal joint connects two pieces at right angles, with a slot cut in one piece for the other to fit through. It offers strong, stable connections ideal for frames and tables. Number 14. Lap joint. The lap joint overlaps two pieces of wood, providing a larger gluing surface for increased strength. It's commonly used in framing and cabinetry for both structural and decorative purposes. Number 15. Butt joint. The butt joint is a simple connection where two wood pieces meet at their ends or edges. It's easy to create but relies on adhesive or fasteners for strength, often reinforced with screws or dowels. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing.